Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a pumpkin spice latte inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this yummy Squishmallows, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of our pumpkin. So I'm going to come right here and go ahead and just start curve all the way across. Say about that wide. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and bring down this Squishmallow shape. So it's kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just a little bit taller. So let's go ahead and bring it out. And it's all up to you how squished you want your Squishmallow. So you can make it taller or shorter, up to you. So I'm going to bring this in about right here, and we're going to connect at the bottom. And connect, so it's a little bit flatter towards the bottom, and go back up. There, so create a big, almost like a big pocket shape, right? Then from there, I'm going to come back up right here. We're going to draw a little rim. We're going to curve on both sides and connect. So we're starting to draw the cream part here. From there, let's go ahead and start our mound of cream. So on this side, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 curves. So let's go up towards like a triangular shape. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, and 1 more. So this is going to be the biggest dollop. We're going to go up and curve about right here towards the center, round it off, and then we're going to bring it down. Right here, and then another one just like the other side. So about right here, curve, and 1 more. There. So we've got our cream at the top. Then from there, let's see here. I'm going to. You can do this when you're coloring, so it's not such a harsh black line. But I just wanted to show you where these 2 points are. You just connect it right here. And same thing here. But before I finish this curve, I'm going to come in this area and need to put in a straw. So about right here, where that curve is, I'm going to stop and draw a curve, and then I'm going to pop out our straw. So hopefully you're using a pencil. You can just erase this part right here that I'm going to go through. There. So I'll come back in here real quick. I thought it was just much easier, instead of trying to draw around this straw, just to go ahead and then I can just erase this. There. So we have our straw in there. And I'll wait for that to dry, and then let's come back and bring this pumpkin spice latte to life, right? So let's draw some eyes here for our pumpkin, and we need 2 of them, right? These 2 triangular shapes. So I'll say about here, and I'm just gonna go right across. This just kind of helps me make sure my eyes are kind of a little bit more centered. So I just have these 2 here and here. Then from there, using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and draw my triangles. There. And then let's thicken it up. We're going to go in, out, and connect. So same thing here. So I know this is where I want to, same level as that. And same thing. Go ahead, thicken it up. There. And then for the eyes, let's come back right in underneath in the center. Draw a line right underneath. Then let's bring it down, and then we're going to start to curve up for this little gap in our teeth, and go up past the eye. So same thing here. Just hope this inspires you. Of course, you can put whatever kind of face you want on your pumpkin. About right there. And then at the bottom right here, there's another. Right in the center, we're going to draw a line and bring it down. and then just connect everything. There. Hopefully I helped you draw that, making it a little bit easier. And definitely if you need to fix anything, you definitely do that after. So now that we have the main elements in place, so I'm going to come in here and just shade this in real quick. And same thing here. And here as well. There, finally all done. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's see here. Let's go back up and we're gonna finish up this area with some, maybe put in some circles right here to decorate. Some of these sprinkles. And lightly draw some circles here. And then on the straw, there's some stripes. Right here, and then most importantly, when you're coloring, get like an orange and then just draw a bunch of twirls and swirls in this area for the caramel. And that is pretty much it, except I almost forgot. Let's put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Pumpkin Spice Latte inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope you loved this and I hope to draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.